let's have a look into the room. So basically college provides us with a bed, a chair and a table. Also we have almirah. So this is something a room looks like, and remaining things we have to buy our own, like bed sheet, mattress, pillows and other essentials we have to buy our own, like bucket and all these things. So this is how you can see a room looks like. I'm just showing my side only because I have not taken permission from my roommates to show their side, and that's why I'm just showing my side. So this is my side. Okay, so as I told you, we have triple sharing room. So we also have 3 almirah in our room. So let's see my almirah. Although it's not that good, let's have a look into my almirah. So these are some of my essentials, my clothes, and that's it. Okay, these are my some books and all. Okay, so let's close it. Okay, fine. So now let's have a look on this side also. This shows how lazy we are. Like you can see यार, oh my god, मतलब हम बहुत ज़्यादा गंदगी रखते हैं. It's okay, fine. So this is all about my room. It's fine, I think. Every facilities are there, so as such there is no problem. Everything is fine. Rooms are quite spacious, although we have triple sharing, still we don't have problem because they are spacious enough. So that's all.